It's hard to believe that we've already reached this point. This has been really fast on this transition. We've done a lot of work to this little guy. I want to take you through and show you all the things that we've done to it. First of all, notice we got it clear coated. That's only one coat. I think we'll still do one more, but we have to let it cure for about a week before I do another one. But it turned out really nice. It's a little bit patchy, but you can't really tell from the camera. But there are some patches. It's not perfect, but it did turn out really well. Got the hubcaps done. You can see those. We went through and painted all those as you guys saw in the other videos. Of course, the wet sanding and everything that went into it, some touch-up paint. We fixed some rust along the bottom of the cab there and over the fender wells. Of course, ordered the new hubcaps for it. And then of course we did the door locks, painted all the door panels. We dyed the inserts in there. And of course we fixed the door lock. It was on the other side though. Got a dash mat for it. We just cleaned it up. Got a new seat cover on it. And it's not the greatest, but we're leaving it for now. We do have a second one. Might sell it with the truck. Not a big deal. Got it all cleaned up. My wife climbed back there and cleaned up all the nooks and crannies. Got some new floor mats, the dark blue. Really like those. That tied it in real nicely. And then of course we fixed the shifter indicator. We got that missing panel that was right there. Mounted the trailer brake. And we fixed these visors. Remember, they were all floppy. Now they stay up nice and tight. Of course, we painted the rims. We did some touch up down the side on the white. We painted the roof and the pillars back here and along that back panel. We painted all the bed rails nice and fresh. Of course, all the wheels, we painted them white. We fixed the rust that was over the wheel wells and underneath those quarter panels back there. Actually underneath the rocker panels back there. Painted the bumper. We fixed the electrical back here, the plug, fixed all that. Painted that green tailgate and did the pinstriping all across it, all the way down the truck. All we did back here was clear coat it. It's just a good old truck. Remember the rust that was up there? It's all gone. And the rust that was down here is all gone. Touched up. And those little rust spots that were on here, but you can see them if you get up close. It's hard to see them in the camera, but they're there. We sanded them down and just touched them up by hand. They're not perfect, but obviously you can tell they don't look too bad because you're seeing what you see. This truck turned out really nice. I'm really excited about this one. Of course, the door panel, the insert, all nice and painted. Fixed the pocket and the lock. Look how good that looks. We just painted those hinges today. Those look good. mounted that trailer brake up there, the new centerpiece. And of course, like I said over just a minute ago, we fixed that little indicator. And we did fix the RPM gauge. However, it's reading high because it's a GM distributor. So I need an adapter, but it is reading. Well, guys, that literally about wraps this project up. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Please leave some comments. Let me know what you think of it. If there's something you think we should have done differently, something you would like to see done extra to it. But I'm pretty happy with it. Cleaned it up really nicely. It was not looking like this when we got it, if you recall. It was really faded, really oxidized, a lot of pieces missing or broken. And we did all that. We fixed it. We got it running good. It's a nice truck. It's a big old F250 and it's got the 460 in it, automatic transmission. This thing is a beauty. Honestly, we're not sure, but my wife kind of wants to keep it. This is her truck. This is the one that she picked out. I did the 67, but this one has come along so nicely. And it is a beauty. So we're probably gonna do one more clear coat on it, and that'll probably wrap up this whole project. There's not much more we're gonna do to it. If you like what we're doing to these trucks, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep more trucks coming. We're about finished up with this one, honestly. There's not much more we're gonna do to it. We might take it out to a couple little cruise nights or whatever, but we're about to finish up the 67. It's coming along really well. We have some things that we're going to finish up with that one. So stick around and we'll see you on the next one.